Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Jonas Tech Vlog. So today I am gonna tell you which is the best budget smartphones in India 2020. So please stay tuned. If you are planning to buy a smartphone in India, the first thing that comes to your mind is which brand to go for. Why? Because there has been a lot of smartphone brands in the market. A budget smartphone should be affordable. So you look for a high refresh rate displays, high resolution, multi-camera setups, good design, hassle-free software, which are there in many of the brands. And there's a lot of confusion what or which brand to go for. To make things easier, here's a top 10 list gives best option for buyers wanting a cheap smartphone available in a budget. The top one on the list is Poco X2 with a Snapdragon 730G and a 64 megapixel quad camera. There's hardly any competition for Poco X2 for now. It's hands down one of the fastest smartphone you can buy right now. Add to that a bright IPS LCD with dual punch hole cameras. This is one heck of a deal in a budget segment. Poco X2 offers a screen size of 6.67 IPS LCD display. Camera at the rear is 64 plus 2 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and in the front there's dual camera. It's 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. RAM which they are offering is 6GB. Battery is 4500 mAh battery and runs on the latest Android for a price of 15,999 at Amazon. We have on our list is Redmi K20. The Redmi K20 is one of the best smartphone under 25k right now. It looks much more expensive than its price and packs in the same camera setup and the display as the flagship K20 Pro. The only difference is the presence of Snapdragon 730 instead of a flagship processor. That's perfectly alright. The Snapdragon 730 uses the same cores as the Snapdragon 880 55 and offers most of the features that's there on the flagship SoC. On the back, the Redmi K20 houses a triple camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary shooter, 13 megapixel wide angle and 8 megapixel telephoto, offering a wide array of choices while shooting. The build quality of the phone is also quite solid. There is a clear winner in our hands with the budget segment. In the third position, we have Realme X2, which is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G with up to 8GB of RAM. The Realme X2 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display. It has small bezels and a screen body to ratio 91.9% and has a 19:5:9 aspect ratio. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and has a in-display fingerprint scanner. It's one of the best budget smartphones right now. Real camera of Realme X2 is 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel and the front camera is of 32 megapixel. Offers a RAM of 6GB and battery up to 4000 mAh. Available at 17,980 at Amazon. Fourth position we have Realme 6 Pro, which continues the legacy of Realme's Pro series of incrementally introducing new features in the mid-range segment. This time it's a 90Hz refresh rate display and a Snapdragon 720G SoC along with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. And this is Samsung's second generation camera sensor tuned to improve the sharpness and details. On front you have a punch hole camera, that too dual, and a 4300 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. That's a good wholesome package and offer on the budget segment. Available at the price of 15,999. On the fifth position we have Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. The Note 9 Pro is now the starting variant of the Note series, with the Note 9 Pro Max getting the most of the attention. 64 megapixel camera sensor at the back and a larger 32 megapixel selfie camera and faster 33-watt charging out of the box. The rest of the hardware is same as the regular Note 9 Pro. The Note 9 Pro Max offers a larger 6.7-inch display lens, a 5 megapixel macro lens and another 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front we have a 16 megapixel front camera. The Note 9 Pro also comes up with a larger 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, and there's Gorilla Glass 5 covering the front, back as well as the camera glass. Next, on the sixth position we have Realme XT, which features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It is powered by the Snapdragon 712 chipset. It sports a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. The smartphone packs a 4000 mAh battery that supports 20-watt fast charging. It's one of the best budget smartphones. Available at a price of 16,343 at Amazon. If we are forgetting something, that's Nokia. Yes, on the seventh position we have Nokia 7.2, which watt fast charging, and the RAM as usual it's less 4 GB. Available at the price of 18,599. Next, on the 8th position we have Samsung Galaxy M31, which is for those who is looking for a 2-day long battery life. With a 6000 mAh battery inside, the Galaxy M31 offers the longest battery life in this segment. It's powered by an efficient Exynos 9611 and rocks a bright and compact AMOLED display. With a 32 megapixel front camera drilled into the display, it's also the first M series smartphone to come up with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, with Samsung offering another 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 5 megapixel macro sensor and another 5 megapixel of depth sensor. Available at a price of 15,999 at Amazon. 9th position we have Nokia 8.1, which recently received a price cut and it's now available well under Rs 20,000. It's a phone with an HDR display, a premium class design. The IPS LCD panel can also convert SDR videos to HDR using a dedicated chip inside. Under the hood, there is Snapdragon 710 powering things along with 4 GB and 64 GB storage. The camera on the back is especially good with Zeiss optics and 12 megapixel primary sensor with aperture of 1.8 and 13 megapixel telephoto lens. On the front, it's a 20 megapixel sensor with aperture of 2.4 for the selfies. The Nokia 8.1 is also good to buy. Finally, on the 10th position we have Vivo U20, which is one of the best budget smartphones available to buy in India. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. The handset also features a triple camera setup. At the rear, 16 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel, and at the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie. A RAM is 4 GB with a battery of 5000 mAh. Available at the price of 11,990. And here we complete our list of top budget smartphone to buy in India. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to Jonas Tech Vlog for more updates. Don't forget to like and share. Until then, goodbye.